Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can remove or take away admin rights from users and co-editors in your app projects on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the given app through the app builder here on Base44. And what you want to do guys, you will need to navigate to the app settings, right? So this is how you can do this. You can do this, for example, by clicking into the app name in the top left and by navigating to users. Here, click into users on the left hand side, go through that list, click into users here, of course. And then guys, what you want to do is you may click into these three dots here of the given user or next to it. And if the given user is an admin as well, and you're the owner of the app project or another admin, you can click into add users here. And for the given user, switch the role from admin to user, click into submit here to take away the admin rights from or the permissions from that user, right? So I can't do that for that role here because I'm the only user for that example app project, but you can do that for other co-editors inside your app project. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.